I'm Dan from BirdDog, and we're here at NAB 2018 showing our brand new products. First, I'd like to talk about Studio NDI. We've been shipping this now for 5 months, and it's the world's first NDI video encoder. It can take SDI or HDMI and convert that right out to NDI in real time. Some new features we've announced at the show though is decode as well, so we can take NDI back in and then send that back out our HDMI or SDI signal. So this is now a bi-directional converter. Just some other features that we have on Studio is a large tally display. We also have comms, which I'll talk about in a minute. It's another announcement we have at the show. On top of this, we've also just announced Mini. This is a new BirdDog product, and this is the same NDI technology where we can take a HDMI signal, but we don't have the SDI connector on there, so it's a smaller, more affordable box, but it still has all the great features in there. We have power over Ethernet, we have comms, we've got tally on the front, so we've got some really cool features in there for a great new price. It's $5.95 retail. The big things we're talking about with BirdDog technology though at the show is our brand new application called BirdDog Comms and also Decode. So firstly, BirdDog Comms is a whole new way of looking at how you can communicate with all of the crew within your production. As a producer or a director or someone that's the centre of a program, this is a whole new take on it. You can have a live split out of your switches, so you can see exactly what's going to air, and then underneath here we can see all of our cameras. Just by touching this in a touch-friendly environment, we can talk to any of our camera operators. We can also group them together with up to 8 groups, party line communications, and we also have tally information in here. So as a producer or director, you can see what's going to air, you can see all of your camera sources, you can see what cameras are being used, what are being queued, you can talk to everybody all in one interface. And this can run on a touchscreen Microsoft Surface or some sort of Windows application. So we think this is really going to change the way people can communicate within a production and increase the quality, but also just make it more convenient for people to have productions. So coupled with this, I mentioned the decode announcement. We're calling this BirdDog Link. BirdDog Link allows you to take signals either from another BirdDog, so it becomes an IP video link, and do that bi-directional, so we can do it at the same time as encoding. And that's on both of these products. And we'll add in more and more products that can be supported by BirdDog Link over time. So we can have, for example, a switcher or some other sources can be used, and then we can put that onto a screen either by HDMI on Mini or SDI with the Studio NDI. One last thing on Mini is we also have mounting options available, so we can mount it on a hot shoe on top of a camera if it's being used as a source, and we also have VESA mounts if you're using it as a destination, so you can mount this on the back of a screen. There are our announcements for NAB, so please call by at our booth or see our website at bird-dog.tv.
Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.